Mark Horstemeyer, Liberty University, USA. Say a few words, very short.
Yes, thank you everybody. Thank you, Florian. It's been an honor to be here, honor to get this. I had no idea. And to meet everybody across the world, it's just a blessing. You know, God has given me a lot of opportunities in life, and I feel His pleasure when I do science. I feel His pleasure.
Not a vacation.
Not a vacation.
Pleasure.
Not a vacation, it's a pleasure.
Oh, okay. Different ways.
Yep.
Synonymous.
That's right.
Okay. So here the word with your name in it.
Look at that, it's spelled right.
Well, he has a different pronunciation, different German style, US style. By the way, can you repeat all different pronunciation people say about your family name?
Well, some of them are bad, but
it doesn't matter. We are fun here, fun story. Okay, yeah, please.
So my dad, if you call his number, he'll say, I'm Duke Horstemeyer. And when we went to Germany, we met the family for over 120 years later. And we knock on the door, and they said, we are the Horstemeyers. And I said, Horstemeyer? I said, Dad, you've been butchering our name for your whole life and my whole life. So there we go.
Yeah, but the name, the science matters. So, Professor Horstemeyer. Congratulations. We know each other for some times now, but we cannot go into detail with the pictures, but still we show some pictures. So, does it look like Mark? Mark, are you sure it's you? Mark, are you sure it's you? That's you. So, the life of someone just enjoying pleasure. That's the best. That's the best picture. This is not bad also.